Hey everyone, welcome to Next Billionaire. Ever wondered how to turn a small investment into a fortune? Cryptocurrency might just be your golden ticket. In the next 2 minutes, I'll break down crypto investing for beginners and show you how to get started. Let's dive in. First, what is cryptocurrency? It's a digital currency powered by something called blockchain technology. Think of blockchain as a super secure, transparent ledger that records every transaction. The most famous cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there are thousands of others. Why is crypto a big deal? Because it's decentralized, meaning no banks or governments control it, and it's global, so you can send money anywhere, anytime. Sounds futuristic, right? Now, how does crypto work? Transactions are verified by a process called mining and stored on the blockchain. To store your crypto, you'll need a digital wallet. Wallets can be online, offline, or even hardware devices for extra security. The crypto market is open 24/7 and is known for its volatility. Prices can skyrocket or drop in minutes, so it's important to understand the risks before investing. Ready to start investing? First, choose a crypto exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Look for security, low fees, and a user-friendly interface. Once you've set up your account, you can buy your first cryptocurrency. Start with well-established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum and only invest what you can afford to lose. Remember, crypto is a long-term game, so don't panic if prices fluctuate. Here are some quick tips to keep in mind. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one coin. Avoid scams. Be cautious of too good to be true offers. Secure your assets, use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication. And most importantly, do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency. And that's your 2-minute crash course on crypto investing. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Next Billionaire for more tips on building wealth. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to becoming the next billionaire starts today. See you in the next video.